Welcome to my channel, All for Health with Jane. Family, we are still on the Senzo Meyiwa Trial. We have Brigadier Gininda on the witness stand. Dr. Ramosepele continues with his cross-examination. You know, family, what Dr. Ramosepele is doing, I don't know whether these questions that he is asking, is it for his own understanding? Is it for his own clarity seeking? Or what is it for? Because I thought this session where he is now, he needs to ask questions that are interrogative, cross-examine Brigadier Gininda. He needs to prove to the court that whatever that Brigadier Gininda has presented, it is not the truth. But instead, it's like he wants to be reminded of some information that he forgot about. He wants to understand some information that he could not understand before. You know, to me, he's like a person who is just while awaying time. Judge Ratha even said to him, as he was reading out this information to the court, this information that according to me, I don't think it's going to help this court in any way. Judge Ratha even said to him, then why do you recite that to the court now? So, family, please, let's watch and listen as Dr. Ramosepele is taking his time in cross-examining Brigadier Gininda.
Now, let's go back to the issue of the identity kit. We have seen Exhibit BB, which is the identity kit that was compiled on the 29th of October 2014. Did you subsequent to that request Warrant Officer Steenkamp to compile another identity kit regarding accused number 2?
Yes.
Altering the image now that is Exhibit BB.
No. So the question is twofold, my lord. The first part, yes, I did contact Warrant Officer Steenkamp to assist with the photo that I had of accused 2 who was arrested. The second part, not to alter the initial identity kit. It was to say, this is the picture. If I recall, I think the picture was either coming from the identity document after accused 2 was arrested, my lord. And I asked her if she can take this picture and see if this picture, and if she puts a hoodie on accused 2, will it not be closely resemble the picture or the identity kit that was crafted on the 29th of October 2014. So that was that, but not to replace or alter. So we have 2 submissions. There's this identity kit of the 29th of October 2014, and when I asked her to assist with what I had in seeing that we can see similarities or not from her expertise, my lord. That's how I asked her.
Uma ngimcela ke Warrant Officer Steenkamp kwakungasona ke ukuthi akashintshe ke isithombe lesiyana noma i-identity leyana, kodwa kwakusemuva ke kokuthi eboshiwe umsolo wesibili nganginesithombe ke enganginaso ke ngimbuza noma ngimcela ukuthi manje uma esebenzisa lesi sithombe cabanga ukuthi ke sasibuya ke kuwena ke umazisi wakhe umsolo wesibili ukuthi uma ngasebenzisa lesi sithombe agqokise ke umsola ke noma umuntu loyo kuleso sithombe ihudi abone ukuthi khona yini angakuthola, hayi ukuthi ashintshe leya identity kit yayiseyikhona.
The essence of that request, my lord, was to try and ascertain from her whether she can link this photo that we've given to her when the hoodie is inserted with the photo that was crafted or drawn on the 29th of October 2014, my lord.
Manje ke imbangela ke noma kwakusemqoka ke kuleso sicelo kwakuwukuthi ke kulesi sithombe esimnikeza sona ke uma manje sesigqokiswe ke ihoodie ngakwazi yini ukuthi ke manje abe khona akuthola noma ke akuhlanganise ke nale identity eyayidwetshwe nge-29 ka October 2014.
Now your index number will be A154.
A154.
Yes. My lord, A154 is another report by Warrant Officer Steenkamp, Amanda Steenkamp, who is the facial image analyst, who also compiled the initial identity kit Exhibit J, from which Exhibit BB was extracted, my lord. And with leave of the court, my lord, once the Brigadier has obtained the relevant document from his docket, I beg leave to take him through.
Yes, my lord, I do have 154, A154.
Okay. Now this report was commissioned on the 19th of June 2020 in East London. If you can assist me, Colonel, by going to the commissioning part, who the commissioner was, and the deponent is Amanda Yvonne Steenkamp.
Yes, I don't know this person, but it's someone from East London. It's A-Labes Gachnik, look like that, my lord.
Streicher.
It's Petros Paulos Engelbrach. Grobelar, yes.
Okay.
Grobelar is a lieutenant colonel.
Okay.
Angmazi ke lo muntu ke kodwa ukuthi ke wase East London Commissioner of Oath, Petros Paulos Grobelar, Lieutenant Colonel.
Yes, my lord.
I'm going to go through this, Brigadier, and there may have to be a time when we revisit it again, because I forgot in the morning to give it to my learned colleague so that he can scan it, so that the accused person, accused two in particular, could also view this identity kit as you are commenting on it. But I have already consulted with him regarding that. He's aware of this new identity kit, and by new I'm saying subsequent to the one of the 29th of October 2014.
Correct, understood, my lord.
And at page, there's no page number, but the second page will be, and I read, Foswell Raskas 63610 of 2014, hereby I, Amanda Yvonne Steenkamp, under oath in English, paragraph 1, occupation and position in the South African Police. I am a warrant officer in the South African Police, force number, stationed at the Facial Identification Unit at the local Criminal Record Center in East London, where I am employed as a facial identification specialist with telephone number. Qualifications and experience: I have 28 years service in the South African Police. I am employed as a facial identification specialist at the South African Police Facial Identification Section since 1997. The functions I perform on a daily basis include the following: facial compilations, facial comparisons, facial mappings, two-dimensional facial reconstructions of decomposed bodies, and facial aging. I received training the facial identification functions at the CRC Training Center in Pretoria and facial identification expert status during 1998. I also gave presentation regarding facial comparisons and facial comparison at the Facial Comparison Symposium hosted at the School of Anatomical Science, University of the Witwatersrand on the 1st of March 2015. During 7 August to 13 September 2006, I gave evidence in the South Gauteng in the following cases: the case of State versus M. Khoza and 4 others, a medal theft case.
Sorry, why are you reciting all that?
Yes, so my lord, let me go to the relevant part, which is, I'll skip paragraph 3, that it should be mutatis mutandis with this paragraph, same paragraph in Exhibit J. The relevant paragraph is in paragraph 4. On 16 June 2020, I received a request from Colonel Gininda to do an alteration on an image by adding a hoodie and dreadlocks hairstyle to a person of interest. I performed the alteration using Adobe Photoshop C52 or CS2 by adding dreadlocks hairstyle and hoodie with a brush tool. Attached, please find Annexure A, the draft document in brackets that forms part of this affidavit, containing identity kits and control images. Paragraph 5 is the commissioning that we have just referred to.
Hi, family, there we are. Let's wait for Advocate Mnisi. Maybe Mnisi will do better. He will try and put Brigadier Gininda where he belongs. Thank you so much, family, for watching this video to the end. Please like it before you leave. Subscribe for my channel if you haven't done so yet. I love you, family. Thank you. Bye.